You'll recall that the Constitution Schedule 4 specified certain functions which were devolved, areas of wildlife, pre-primary education, polytechnics, health, and the people who are working in those functions with central government were devolved to the counties. Nairobi got a list of 5,334 personnel who are supposed to come with the devolved functions. We've just completed a head count, and we have only got 2,900. So we have reason to believe that even in central government, they had ghost workers, and we have ghost workers devolved to us of about 2,400. So we just, in the process, we've written back to the government that whereas they've been debiting us salaries for 5,300 employees, the only one we'll accept are the ones we found on the ground, which are 2,900.
Hao zaidi ya 2,000 walikuwa katika idara gani katika baraza la Nairobi? Walikuwa katika idara gani? Kanjo?
Spread kwa idara zote, wako kwa idara za afya, education, trade and industry, wildlife, agriculture, livestock. Is across the board.
Nani ni wakulaumiwa sasa? Na kama kuna wale
lakini unajua hata tunasaidia serikali kwa ajili hata serikali hawakujua au watu walikuwa ni mashetani. Ghost workers. Wafanyikazi wa shetani.